My name's Tessa Jakovljevic. I'm Head of Commercial and Risk for Health and Education, and I've been with business for just over 2 years now. I personally am a very accountable person, so accountability is a value of mine, and I have to force myself to give people the basic assumption when they don't deliver on a promise that they've made, or a commitment, or getting a report by a certain time. So one of the things that we're doing across health and education is rolling out a program called Open Talk, which is intended to support psychological safety in speaking up in circumstances, but it gives you these great tools to learn about giving people the basic assumption before you go into a conversation, how to give feedback, how to receive feedback. So I leverage those tools to firstly give the basic assumption that that person didn't deliberately not provide it, or it doesn't mean that they weren't accountable. And I just spoke to the person, and I realized that the reason why that person hadn't delivered what they had committed to deliver was because they didn't quite have the capability to do that. And so it was a very simple solution. You just ask, how can I help? How can I get you started? And I think we do, in an environment that we're working in at the moment where performance is absolutely key, and efficiency and driving forward, we still need to be kind to our colleagues and remember that people come to work wanting to do a good job. And that was a very simple solution, and now that person is flying. It's just about supporting, mentoring our people to get the better outcomes in the end.